Hi kids. Yes, it's me again. Teacher John Ryan Sapotalo, your Science 1 teacher. Alright, now our topic for today is about a summary about planting process. So this is the review of our topic for the whole month of November. Alright. Now let's read the vocabulary. Again, vocabulary. Alright, number 1. Gardening. Gardening. Number 2. Replanting. Replanting. Number 3. Recycling. Recycling. Number 4. Invention. Invention. Number 5. Recreation. Recreation. Alright. Now, let me ask you, what is gardening? Alright, today we're going to answer that. Gardening is the growing of plants such as flowers, shrubs, and trees as a hobby or recreation. Look at this. Alright. Now, why gardening is important? They represent a natural environment. Plants and trees grow there, taking a carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, just like this picture. Look at this. Okay. Now, it's like you can plant them anywhere you want. Yes. Look at this picture. Right. In the balcony. And even in the rooftop. Yes. And also indoor or inside the house. Now, what are the materials for gardening? Alright, gardening materials, gloves, boot, shovel, gardening fork, water can, pot, and wheelbarrow. Alright, that is the materials for gardening. Alright, don't forget that. Now, using scrap materials for planting. Alright, so we're going to use materials for planting in planting. What is scrap materials, by the way? Scrap is defined as a small amount of something or the materials reused and recycling. Do you have an idea? Yes. Instead of using pot for planting, now we're going to use scrap materials in planting. Like for example, an eggshell and a paper pot. Look at the picture. Yes, an eggshell, and a paper pot. And also a garbage bag or a garbage sacks. And we can use also the plastic bottle. Yes, look at the picture. And also a carton egg tray. Coconut husk. And everything that you wouldn't need anymore, just like this shoe. Yes. And this one too. Alright. So, using scrap materials for plant. Just like this plastic bottle. Plastic bottles are typically used to store liquids such as water, soft drinks, and etc. And you can use it as a scrap materials for planting, just like this one. Or another invention or DIY materials for growing a plant. Look at this. Alright. And also this one. And this one. Now, let's learn how to plant. Okay, this is the example of planting steps. Alright. And look at this one. Yes, it's very easy. Number one, all you need to do is to get the flower pot. And then number two, put soil in the flower pot. Number three, put seeds in the flower pot with soil. Look at this. Yes. And then number four, water the seeds or water the plant. Yes. And then number five, put the flower pot in the sunlight. And then the last one, alright, the flowers begin to grow. Like this one. Okay. So that's the steps of planting. Now, what the plants need. Okay, what the plants need. Here we go. 5 things plants need. Soil, water, sun, air, and a space to grow. Yes, all right. So, needs of the plant. What is it again? Water. Plants need the right amount of water for healthy growth. Number 2, sunlight. Plants need sunlight to make food. Number 3, air. Contains oxygen and carbon dioxide that plants need for survival. And number 4, soil. Plants need nutrients to grow well. And the last one, yes, space. Plants need space in order to grow. Without it, they cannot spread out their roots and get the food they need to grow. Alright. For example, this one. Plants need the right amount of water for healthy growth. And plants will wilt and die if they do not get enough water. However, too much water is bad for plants too. Alright. And that's the end of our lesson. Now, the activity. Okay, write your name first, follow the section, level, and the number. Direction. What plant needs? Number 1. Select all the things a plant needs to survive and grow. Then, color. Okay, for example, this is the plant. Okay, what the plant need? You can choose here. Yes, is it egg, air, donut, juice, water, sun, soil? Okay, which one of these that the plant needs? Alright, so all you need to do is to select. For example, if you select the egg, you can write check. If you select the juice, you can write check. Alright? Very good. And then now, second direction, number 2. The right watering of the plant. Choose your answers by writing the letter in the space provided here. Okay, you can choose. For example, number 1. However, too much water is bad for the plants too. Which one of these? Alright, you choose the right answer. And that's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye, class.